lights, spare tire, winds, and you cannot see the jack. Hey, what's up? We are now here at the back seat. Natadiri ka sa likod karon. And this is my normal driving position. I am 5 foot 4 inches tall, and wala iya ang what's this, space or legroom, no, dako kayo mga guys. And I'm sorry for I'm just wearing sleepers because it's comfy, you know. But anyway, so sa back seat ano siya, I guess mga 3 people average size, ug mga gagmay siguro maka-fit diri og 4 ka tawo passenger. Okay, plastic, this is plastic, no soft touch. And the headroom, and mauna siya yung headroom. Okay, so again, I am 5 foot and 4, so taas na siguro mga 5'5", 5'6", sangko-sangko na siguro ani. Okay, going back to the features, there is a likod. First of all, you can see immediately the cup holder, no? Isa lang, no? Just one cup holder. Kita mo mag-zoom, ayan. So isa lang for the back, and I mean that's for the center. Meron pala dito sa gilid, sa side dito. Okay, the same as there, the other side, cup holder. Okay, it comes with power windows, central lock the front. Okay, seat belt. Ayan, this is the back of the Suzuki Swift. What's up everybody, nakakaroon sa front or the driver side of this all new Suzuki Swift. Okay, so this is the new design of the steering wheel, bagong design sa manubela, no, na siya ay cut out diri, and which reminds me of the Subaru WRX, no, na siya ay cut out diri. So diri siya ingon niya totally lingin, but na siya ay cut out diri. Okay, so yang silbato, which diri po nakabutang ang SRS airbag. Then audio controls, volume, extract, no, FM siguro po ni uban, mute, and information display. I guess dito na siya sa center sa atong display. Okay, so this is the steering wheel of the Suzuki Swift. Ayos, diba? No? And behind the steering wheel is the gauges, no? This is for the RPM, and this is for your speed. Okay, so it's the design wise, it's simple. Siguro pag malight na siya, ayan, na nice na kaya siya sa gabi, no? Mura po pang racing design, but comes with red light accent diya sa gauges. Okay, klaro, and very straightforward nga design. Also na po information diha, no, wala ta ka pa kayo sa yabi, no, sa aning model unit. But anyway, muna siya ang gauge sa side. So it comes with central lock, no, then window lock, power windows, only ang driver may automatic up and down. This is for your mirror, no? Pwede siya nimo i-adjust, hindi na ka maglungi-lungi sa side mirror, hindi rin na ka maglungi-lungi. This is for the left and to the right, hindi mo na lubag-lubag diha, up and down. Okay, and as you can see, plastic, but this one unlike sa likod, no, nga plastic, this is soft touch material, as long as this one na soft touch siya, pero pwede na siguro. Unta gikuan lang gamay, no, gilahi lang og kanang color para medyo mapansin na yun siya. But anyway, so kung imong ibutay imong siklo diri, so dili kay sakit kung mag-drive ka. Okay, yan, cup holders, isa din sa driver, and napadre isa, no, napadre isa, then also sa passenger side. Okay, so total of 4 cup holders diri sa front. Okay, so pwede diri tubig, pwede pud beer, no, but anyway, dili advisable nga mag drive kung nakainom. Okay, ayan. And also mo ni ang Infotainment System diri sa Suzuki Swift, and ako na i-post diri sa video ang screen size niya ani. Okay, no, so siguro sakto ra kung kamot, just enough, no, not so fancy, not so big, the same as the Suzuki Vitara, no, dako-dako tong Vitara dire, no, basta dako tong Vitara nga information system. Yan, volume controls, yung control niya, no, very straightforward, not so dakig button nga murag eroplano. Yan, just enough. Okay, ano yung infotainment system. Below the infotainment system is the climate control, no, manual siya, no, so it is not automatic, there's no auto. So this is for the air direction, fan speed, temperature, no, pwede po siya pang hot, but I guess din na magamit diri sa Pilipinas kay perting inita kaayo. Below diri is na ang 12 volt socket, no, USB charging point, so pwede ka mag-charge diha, no? Yan, so na mag USB, so di na mo kailangan palit og additional nga USB charger, because pwede mo diretso diri sa mo saksak wire na lang sa inyo ang charger, so pwede na mo mag-charge. Suzuki Swift nga itong gina-review karon comes with the automatic transmission, no, CVT, or the continuously variable transmission. Murag I'm not endorsing the product, but mura po ganang Yamaha Mio, no, so CVT na, so automatic na dito nakatapak sa gas, then automatic na siya mo high gear, no, but this one comes with the low, no, low gear if ever slope ang inyo ang gan, is either pasaka panaog, no, slope, so low gear. Then drive, tapak ka dito sa gasolinador, larga na dayan. Ayan, so na siya i-push gamay diri, no? I don't know para saan siya, this one. Then this is the handbrake, ito ibuta dito ikon kay basin mo tagan. And sadly I wanted this model nga push start button, but it is traditional key start, no, so saksak sa pagyabi diri, but pwede na, pero mas mayon ta kung naka push start button siya, no, para medyo sa iyang design wise man good exterior, lami na kaya siya lang tawon, but siguro I don't know sa ilang reason nila, but this comes with the traditional key start key. Okay. Ito abrihan ang engine bay.